Hey there, this is Niyi Amuda and welcome to my YouTube channel. You are new? Yeah, welcome. So just kindly click the subscription button and then hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post tutorials like this. So we're going to be doing a very simple social media design for Hex Boss. Alright, so without wasting any time, let's start. Alright, so it's a very creative design. Let's begin. Let me just get this guy out. I want to use a green background. Okay, but let me get this. Let me get the background now, please. So let's use this, but because I don't want it to be red, I'm going to change it. So go to color filters, okay, and go to you, and then we're going to make it green. Alright, so increase the saturation, okay, reduce the brightness, the brightness, okay. Let's see contrast. Something like that anyway, but let's just get to it. Alright, so let's get the logo. Here's the logo. Sorry about that. I want to work on the background. I prefer this green color. So this guy that is here, this where you want the background here, I'm going to reduce the opacity so that other green can come in. Exactly. So this guy is going to be white. Alright, so let's just put it somewhere there first. But alright, the caption is going to be elevate your game. Okay, so let's put it. Let's look for a very good font. Alright, so alright, then this logo, I wanted it to be slant, so I have to break it. Let it be straight. I'll break it. I'll put it here. Put this guy here. Okay, then I'll alright, so this is it. So we're done with this. Copy it and then put the other guy here, and also crop it and bring this guy in so as to cut out the other part of it. So I think that's it. Alright, so this is it, but then we're going to reduce it. Okay, then this guy is going to come up a little. Centralize it. Elevate your game. Because we know the game is going to be bigger. I don't know. I don't want it to be more than 2 lines. Okay. So looking at this, So let it be here. Take the padding out because there's some stuff that are cut. Alright. So, and this is going to go up a little. Okay. So just simply centralize it, and this one too. Alright. As you can see, we are working on it. So let's reduce this and see how this can fit in. But remember, it's going to be at the middle. I'm thinking it's too big. Let's reduce it a little. Alright, so it's going to be at the middle. So first you put this one at the middle like this. Click on relative position and centralize it. Then this one the same thing, and then move them 1 2 3 4, and the circle 1 2 3 4 5. It means this guy is going to go once again, and this is going to go just once and again. Alright, so we get the logo there already at the middle. Let's get this other stuff here. Okay, so experience this. Alright, so let's bring it in. Alright, so just paste it, and then let's go and get a font. I think the font that we're going to use is going to be a vertical, because I think it's one of the font that correspond with their own font. Alright, so it's way too small, so we can increase it a little. Alright, just go over to align, and then we'll centralize it, and we'll increase the line spacing. Alright, but before we say it's all done, I think this guy is going to go up a little, and this also. Okay. Alright, so there's something that I want to stand at here, which is the what's it called? Xbox One wireless controller. So I'll just go over to code, and I would get it done. I'll just get it done like that. Okay, so well, we're almost done. And make sure that this guy is centralized at the middle. Okay. Alright, so see what else we're going to do. Alright, so let's just why that is there, we can just reduce opacity. There's no much work there. Just reduce opacity, and then come here and do the same thing. Just like this. Take down the opacity also. Alright. Alright, So this is a simple social media design that we just finished right now. So look very well, you will see that the E, the one at the bottom here is not aligned with this guy here. Okay, you can see that's not aligned. So and if you check here, you see that this one also is not it's not aligned, which is this one here. You can see. So what do we do? Simply let's go down first. Okay, so what we'll do is just move it in. Alright, I think with that we are done. So I want to still work on the background a little. Alright, so but I'm still going to increase the saturation. Okay, and one more thing, it's too much. So just a simple social media design for X+, and I think we are almost done. Alright, so let's take this a little bit in here. Save it and then we're done. So that's all. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you. If you want to do more magic with it, you can save. Let's save it as a project first. Over here and save as ultra, and when you're done saving, you go to smart seed and you would do some little magic to bring out the design more, make it more beautiful. So the first thing I like to work on when I come over here is the brightness. So you can see, you can work on the brightness. Okay, and I also like to work on this. Right then, I think we're good to go. Export and the image is saved. So this is our design. You can see how clean it is. Can you see the background? Alright, so that's it. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Subscribe, like this video so that more people can see it, and share it to your friends, and I'll see you.